I have a feeling that Carrie, Macy, and Jaden have been jumping on the sofa because it has been shredded and they've got a broken picture window. That's no way to look at a view. So we're gonna come in here. I've got Ryan and Nathan from Rocky Mountain Exteriors, and we're gonna fix all their problems. This is the punch list.
Hi, I'm Carrie. This is my son Jaden.
Hi.
And Macy. So there's a couple things we would love to get fixed up, including our window. We got them all redone, but this one cracked. And I honestly thought Jaden might have shot a puck in it, but it wasn't him, it's the center pane. So luckily we did get a replacement, but it's been sitting there for almost 6 months because we can't get around to fixing it. So we've had this couch since 1992 for real. And we're starting to see some wear and tear, quite literally.
Because it's ripped. Jonathan, can you fix all this stuff, please?
This will be great. They have no idea it's actually me showing up. I want it to be the ultimate surprise.
Jonathan!
How are you? Were you not expecting me?
No.
Hi, who are you? You must be Macy. Are you good? Nice to meet you guys. What's that? Do we need to fan you a little bit?
Little hot.
I heard.
Were you rolling that?
Did you get that?
Are you rolling?
I hope so. All right, was that the best reaction ever? I feel like it was.
That was probably really good.
I hear that you guys may have been a little bit rough on the sofa, and you got a big crack in the window.
That is true.
Well, guess what? I've got Ryan and Nathan here, Rocky Mountain Exteriors. We're gonna fix your window. We're gonna take care of all that stuff. So come on in here. Show me where it is.
Hi.
Now, did something hit the window, or is it from settling?
It's from settling.
Settling at the house?
Because it's the middle pane that's actually cracked.
Okay. And how long? So I see you've got the replacement window out there.
Yeah.
How come it wasn't put in?
Oh, we're busy. It sat there for about 6 months.
Oh wow! I mean, you guys have an amazing view.
Yeah.
Except you can't look at the view from there because there's a crack. So you got to come over here, or you got to go over there, or you got to come up here.
Whoa.
There, that's a good view there.
Yeah.
This is no good, but more importantly, show me this sofa that has just been trashed. This love seat. What the heck
We hide it with the
happened
pillows.
over here? Was that you? You were trying to find the remote? You were going like that?
I think.
No, I put my iPad in here and then my cousin found it.
You hide your stuff in there?
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you guys like presents?
Yeah!
You do? I have a really gigantic present.
Where is it?
Where is it?
Yeah.
It's outside. Let me get it right. Oh,
Whoa.
she's already going to get it. That's it. We're going to go and we're going to get that. In the meantime, do you guys want to grab tools and we'll start pulling this window out? We're going to fix it all right now.
Really?
All right, you cool with that?
I'm cool with that.
All right, you cool with that?
Yeah.
All right, only if you can jump super high and give me a high five without falling. Boom! I like it. Good way to let the contractor work. Really good. Delicious. No splits means we can reuse it. There we go. All right. We're getting there. We don't have time to walk through the door. We go straight through the window. Way more convenient, right? Too bad there wasn't snow right now because I would challenge you guys to the ultimate snowball fight.
Yeah!
You're lucky. Until then, I'll just have to settle with something else. I can't believe you fell for that! Jonathan. And are you handy at all?
I am. Fairly handy.
Yeah? What do you do for a living?
Welder.
A welder!
Yeah.
You have to be good with your hands.
Yeah.
All right, well then maybe you can help put the rest of this together for us. Give it a little push in this corner. Starting to lose our light outside. We're gonna have to wrap this up. But I will admit, I love this new window. I I only like using good products because this has 4 times the density, which means it has better insulation, better durability, and it is guaranteed with its no-bow technology that it will not bow or warp windows and doors. That is it. We are officially done. You have a window without a crack in it. You have a Scott living sofa without slits in it. How's that feel?
Really good,
Awesome.
thank you.
Thanks a
We
lot.
appreciate it so much.
You're
Great.
welcome.
Yes.
We just have to get you guys to promise that you will not be rough on this sofa.
I promise.
Pinky swear. Pinky swear.
I'll pass.
Pinky swear. All right, good. Because if you don't pinky swear, I take your pizza.
Oh, wait a minute.
No? All right, I can leave it there. How did it
Yes.
feel to show up and all of a sudden there's all these people in your house?
Very exciting. Awesome, too.
Good, well I'm
Yes.
glad. And that's
Yes.
how we roll. If you guys have problems around the house, maybe I'm just gonna show up, eat your pizza, and fix all your problems because that's what we do on the punch list. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank
Awesome.
you.
Wow.
Thanks.